Hi, I'm Kip from kiphages.tv and I've got another unboxing video for you. Yes, I know, I've been doing a lot of these recently, but you know, I think people like to see this stuff, and also this is really good gear that will hopefully up my vlogging and perhaps streaming game. So what have I got? Well, I've got two things, but they kind of work together. So first up, the box is a bit battered, but it is an Elgato multi-mount. No, it's actually an Elgato multi-mount. They just stuck the shipping label on the box, so that was annoying. But anyway, that is the first thing, and the second thing goes with it, and it is this. It is the multi-mount flex arm kit. Now, what you can't see because it's the camera is basically the camera at the moment is on top of a Joby GorillaPod, which is sat behind my monitors. Now, it kind of works, but the problem is because there's not much space behind my monitors, if there's a slight wiggle of the desk, and you know, sometimes desks wiggle, the camera and the Joby GorillaPod just go and fall down, and that's not very good. It's not a cheap camera that I'm filming on, so yeah, we don't really want it filming off the desk. And the reason why I've got that sort of basic setup at the moment was I wasn't entirely sure how well it would work filming on my Canon EOS M50. Now, it's not designed to be used as a webcam, and I'm going to do a video in future weeks where I show you how I've got it set up and ways you can set up yours. So yeah, basically I need a proper mount to hold the camera onto the desk so it's nice and steady and it's not going to go anywhere. So I was looking around and everyone seems to point to the Elgato multi-mount. Now, it's an Elgato product. I've got a lot of Elgato products. I use the capture cards to capture this video, I use their lights to light the scene, and I use their Stream Deck to control everything. So basically the idea is I'm going to use the multi-mount to hold the camera and clamp it to my desk, but I've actually got two multi-mounts, and the second multi-mount I'm going to use the flex arm kit, and I'll explain how that's going to be used shortly. So what I will do now is I'll get the multi-mount out of the box and we can have a look at it together. I haven't got the overhead camera set up simply because it's a bit of a pain to set up, and these boxes are so big, but things might be changing in that department shortly. But anyway, so let's unbox the Elgato multi-mount and see what's inside. Okay, not a lot. In the words of the late great Paul Daniels, not a lot. There's really not. So basically, there is an instruction sheet. That is it. That's the instruction sheet. That's not the only thing that's in the box. That would be ridiculous. But in the rest of the box, oh, hello. Okay. So this is the desk clamp. I believe that opens to about 60 centimeters or so. It's got a nice, not 60 centimeters, 60 millimeters or so. So it's got a nice handle for you to open it up and clamp it onto the desk, and it's got nice soft rubber squishiness so it won't damage the desk. And then on the top here, this is what we're interested in. So it's got a little ball head that you can adjust, you see, which is perfect, and then it's got a little thumb screw thing to fix it in place. So that is sort of quite simple. This isn't just it, well, it is just it, but this also, it's a bit like a tripod. I'll make sure I spin it the right way. It extends, so there we go, let's lock that in place. So you can make this really tall. I mean, that's going to hit the ceiling. I can't have it up at its full length. But yeah, so you can basically lift up whatever you want. It doesn't necessarily have to be a camera. It's got just the standard of mounting screw at the top. I think it's 1/4 inch. There we go. So yeah, it's got these two extra extensions to make it go really quite tall. So I reckon to clear it over my desk and my monitors, I reckon, yeah, I've just got to lift this up a tiny bit. So that's really good. That's really handy. Yeah, so basically the multi-mount doesn't just have to clamp on your desk. You can actually get a base plate for it, and it's kind of like it's a weighted base, so you can unscrew these 3 Allen bolts here and then screw it into the weighted base. So therefore you can use it on the floor. So for example, if you want to mount a camera on the floor, you can just take this desk clamp off and screw it onto the base, and then you can have an arm that your camera or anything else that's got a standard 1/4 inch thread into it and put it on there. So that's great. That's pretty cool. It's really well made. It feels quite sturdy. I mean, obviously if you have it clamped onto the desk at its full length, there's gonna, well actually I was gonna say there's gonna be a bit of wobble, but there's not. It's really quite held firmly. I like that. And ultimately, if you're putting like hundreds of pounds worth of camera equipment on the end of it, you want it to be good, don't you? So that is that. What I'm going to use my other multi-mount in conjunction with is the Flex arm kit. Let's do a proper unboxing. I'm trying not to hit the microphones. So it just comes with a quick start guide. We love a quick start guide in an unboxing video, don't we? So this comes with some different heads. So it comes with one that is 24 centimeters long. It comes with one that is 17 centimeters long. And then it comes with 2 that are 9 centimeters long. So you're probably wondering, what's this all about? So what you can create is you can create a flexible arm, and all you've got to do is unscrew this. It's a bit like a hip joint, I guess. Just unscrew it enough for you to fit your ball in. When I unscrewed the ball joints on the lights, they went flying everywhere because I unscrewed them a bit too much. Ah! Again, I unscrewed them a bit too much. You can create your own arm that extends. Now this is what I'm going to use for my overhead camera. I'll be able to clamp a multi-mount down onto my desk, and then I'll be able to use one of these. I mean, you don't have to, you can configure it how you want. That's the beauty of it. So there we go. So look, you can build your own arms that will be able to hold your camera up. I think the payload is about 2 kilograms. I think from memory. I should really check these things. I will put it in the video below what the payload is, but it's not masses, so you know you can't lift a car up with it, but it's enough to build a mounting to say lift a GoPro up above your desk. So in theory I can have one arm holding my camera and next to it an arm that's extended and overhead that's holding on to my GoPro or something similar to film overhead shots. So that's going to be absolutely awesome. And then to put it on the multi-mount, this is where I need about 30 hands. You just pop this head off, unscrew it. Should we do it? Yeah, let's do it. I'm going to need to be built like an octopus for this one, but you know, it's all fun. So yeah, the multi-mount and the Flex arm kit combine to sort of basically make a setup of your choice, really. And so for example, if you then tied it in with like the floor stand, so there you go, you can create an arm that sits on the floor or clamps to the desk, and you can use it to suspend a light or a microphone even, or as I'm going to use, a camera. So, and also you don't need to use all the arms, you can just use the arms that you want to. That's really cool. And it's, I mean, obviously I've only tightened it up a little bit, but as I say, I think the payload's about 2 kilograms, but it certainly feels sturdy. So I mean, you might be able to get a good DSLR on there. I think I'm just going to use it for a GoPro, but because it's all ball joints, you can sort of get it so your shot is nice and straight and level and true. Yeah, I really like that a lot. So from memory, I think the multi-mount is around about £60. I think it's like $59.99, and the Flex arm kit is, I think, $39.99. Now they do seem to have a bit of a stock trouble with them at the moment. Lots of places are sold out. I don't know whether that's because people are sort of doing more video stuff from home, or they're just, I don't know. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I just love Elgato gear. It's well made, it's well thought out, and it just works. There's no messing. And obviously, you know, there's no reason why you can't have multiple ones of these attached around your desk for different things. So for example, you could have one to support a Elgato key light, or you know, you could have one to hold a microphone above you. It's really open to sort of like a world of possibilities, especially when you tie it with the Flex arm kit. So yeah, I'm going to have fun playing with these. I am. So that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's cool, isn't it? And I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!